My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today I am with the second lecture on nomenclature of organic compounds. Today I'd like to discuss nomenclature of alkanes. The points to be discussed in this lesson are: what is alkane, types of alkane, rules for the trivial system to name the organic compounds, rules for the IUPAC system, and finally we will see some examples. I do believe you can answer the name of the compounds before I tell you. So dear students, let's begin. The very first point is alkane. What is alkane? Alkane is a kind of homologous series. It's a name of a group of saturated hydrocarbons where all the compounds have general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. That means number of hydrogen atoms will be doubled plus 2 than number of carbon atoms, and all the compounds possess only carbon-carbon single bond. No compounds will contain carbon-carbon double and carbon-carbon triple bond. And here the first member of alkane is methane, then ethane, propane, butane, pentane, and so on. So my dear students, let's move on to the next point. Now the point is types of alkanes. Alkanes may be of three types: straight chain alkane, branched chain alkane, and cyclic alkane. Let's see some examples. Straight chain alkane. This is the alkane which is in butane. No branch is here. It is in butane. This is a kind of straight chain alkane. Another alkane, let's see here at the carbon number 2, that is at the second carbon, there is a branch. So it is a kind of branched alkane. Its name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 isopentane. It is an example of branched alkane. Another alkane is here, that is cyclic alkane. This is actually cyclobutane. This is cyclic alkane, but this alkane doesn't follow this rule, that is CnH2n plus 2. Here number of carbon atoms 4 and number of hydrogen atoms 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is not that number of hydrogen atoms doubled plus 2 than number of carbon atoms. This is not here. So cyclic alkanes doesn't follow this general formula. My dear students, let's move on to the next point. Now the point is rules for the trivial system to name the organic compounds. First of all, we will see some rules. The first rule is all the carbon atoms of the compound are counted. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all the carbon atoms are counted to get the word root. So here this is bute, and since it is a kind of alkane, so what is suffix here? N. So butane, and N for straight alkane. So here N butane. The compound is N butane. And when iso is used, if second carbon carries one methyl group, here we see 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon carries one methyl group. Then what is used? Iso. Iso is used here, and all the carbon atoms are counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the name of this compound is isopent, since it is an alkane. And what is the suffix here? N. So its name is isopentane. And when neo is used, when second carbon carries two methyl group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon carries two methyl group, so neo is used here, neo, and again all the carbon atoms are counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a hex. And what is the suffix here? Alkane suffix is N. So the name of this compound is neohexane. Now let's see again, all the carbon atoms are counted to get the word root, that is it is pent, hex or hept like this. So here 4 carbon atoms, so but, alkane, butane. For straight chain alkane N is used, so this is N-butane. When second carbon carries 1 methyl group, then iso is used. Here second carbon carries 1 methyl group, so iso. And all the carbon atoms, here total carbon atoms 5, so this is isopentane. If second carbon carries 2 methyl group, then neo is used as prefix, and then all the carbon atoms are counted. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it is neohexane. My dear students, let's move on to the next point. Let's see first what about longest chain. Longest chain, here the meaning is we have to first of all detect the longest chain of the compound. Here let's count the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is 5 carbon atoms, then it will be pentane. This is the chain. And if the carbon atoms are numbered from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so then it is hexane. So this is the longest chain, and then it will be substituent. So what will be its name? 1, 2, 3. At carbon 3, this is the substituent. So the name of this compound will be 3 methyl hexane, not 1, 2 ethyl pentane. Single word, 2 ethyl pentane or 3 methyl hexane. So longest chain must be detected first. So this is the name of this compound, this will not be the name of this compound. So this is all about the longest chain determination. Next, move on to the second point. It's about the second point, substituents with lower number. That means here this is hydrogen. If this hydrogen is replaced by any alkyl group, suppose methyl group, then it will be here substituent. Substituents are expressed with lower number. If the carbon atoms are numbered from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the left, then substituent is at carbon 2. If it is numbered from the right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is numbered from the right, then substituent at 4. So the numbering must be from left, because in the system, in the rules, it is said substituents are expressed with lower number. So at carbon number 2, then the name of the compound will be 2-methyl. That means this methyl group is at 2. And how many carbon atoms here? 5 carbon atoms. So 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane. This is word root pent. This is suffix, and 2-methyl is prefix here. So the name of the compound is 2-methyl pentane. This is about substituents with lower number, but we cannot tell it is 4-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-methyl pentane. We cannot tell it. So this is the name of this compound. Let's move on to the next point. The third point is alphabetic order is followed for the substituents. Here, what are the substituents? Methyl and ethyl. If the carbon atoms are numbered from the left, then 1, 2 at 2 substituent, and if it is numbered from the right, then 1, 2 at 2 substituents. So numbering is not the problem here. Let's see what is the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2-methyl, 4-ethyl, 5 carbon atoms, pentane. This may be one name, or if it is numbered from the right, then 2-ethyl. At carbon 2-ethyl group, so 2-ethyl, then 3, 4, 5, 2-ethyl 4-methyl. Pentane. What will be its number? 2-methyl or 2-ethyl? Alphabetic order is followed. Here is methyl M, ethyl E. So E is prior to M. That is why the compound must be numbered from the right to prioritize this ethyl group. Then 2-ethyl 4-methyl pentane. This will not be the name. This will be the accurate name of this compound. This is said alphabetic order is followed for the substituents. Let's move on to the next point. Let's see the 4th point. Lower value of summation is taken. What is the meaning of this? Suppose this is the compound. If it is numbered from the left, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the name of this compound if the carbon atoms are numbered from the left? That is 2,2-dimethyl, 2,2,4 trimethyl, 2,2,4. Here methyl group, here methyl group, and at carbon 4 another methyl group. So 2,2,4 trimethyl, trimethyl pentane. If it is numbered from the right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 2,4,4 trimethyl, 2,4,4 trimethyl pentane. Just single word. Now what is the summation here? This is 2 to 4, total 8. Here 4 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 10. So this is lower value of summation is taken. So this is the accurate name of this compound. This will not be the name of this compound. And from this discussion we can say that what is the numbering of these compounds, from the left or from the right. The compound is carbon atoms of this compound are numbered from the left to get the lower value. This is about the 4th point. Lower value of summation is taken. Let's move on to the next point. The most important point is here examples. Let's see some examples. First of all, this compound, here there are 4 carbon atoms and it's a kind of straight chain alkane. What will be the name of this compound according to trivial system? In trivial system we know N, iso, neo are used. If it is straight chain, then N is used normal. So it will be N 1, 2, 3, 4, N butane. And what will be the IUPAC name? In IUPAC system normally N, iso, neo are not used. So we can normally tell butane. So this is the first example. Let's see the second example. The compound is now CH3, CH. Here there is a branch CH3, CH3, CH3. In the chain number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the total number of carbon atoms in the compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So according to the trivial system, all the carbon atoms are counted. So here how many carbon atoms? 6 carbon atoms. So it will be hex and suffix is here N. So hexane at carbon, second carbon carries 1 methyl group. According to the system or rules, we can write here isohexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the carbon atoms are counted. Here it will be capital letter. So this is isohexane. And according to IUPAC system, the longest chain is determined and substituents are expressed with lower number. Longest chain is here. If it is numbered from the right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At carbon 4 there is methyl group, and if it is numbered from the left, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the compound must be numbered from the left to express the substituent with lower number. So now the name of this compound will be 2-methylpentane. 2-methylpentane. This is example 2. Let's see the next example. My dear students, what will be the name of this compound? We see here second carbon carries 2-methyl group. So according to the trivial system, we know when second carbon carries 2-methyl group, then neo is used and all the carbon atoms are counted. So first of all, let's write neo and all the carbon atoms are counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is neo heptane. This is prefix, this is word root, and this is suffix. So neoheptane. And according to IUPAC system, longest chain is determined first and then carbon atoms are numbered. Longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be pent. Since it is alkane, so pentane. And then carbon atoms are numbered either from the left or from the right to express the substituents with lower number. If it is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then at carbon 2 there are 2 methyl groups. If it is numbered from the right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At carbon 4 there are 2 methyl groups. So the carbon atoms must be numbered from the left here. Now the name of the compound will be, this is pentane, and at carbon 2 there are 2 methyl groups. So 2,2-dimethylpentane, 2,2-dimethylpentane. This is the name of this compound, 2,2-dimethylpentane. Among or between digits, comma is used, and between digit and word, hyphen is used. Let's move on to the next example. What will be the name of this compound? If the carbon atoms of the compound are numbered from the right, not from the right, from the left, then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is numbered from the right, then we cannot express the substituents with lower number. So the carbon atoms of this compound are numbered from the right. This is number 1. Number 2, let's write the name of this compound. 2, 2. At carbon 2 there is a methyl group, and at carbon 4 there is ethyl group. Since E is prior to M, that is methyl, so it is written first. So 4-ethyl 2,2-dimethyl, 6 carbon atoms, hex N. This is suffix, this is word root, this is prefix. So 4-ethyl 2,2-dimethyl hexane. It will not be 2,2-dimethyl 4-ethyl hexane because E is prior to M. So this is the accurate name of this compound. Let's see another example. Dear students, the example is now this compound. We have to keep many points in our mind this time. Let's see. Here, first of all, the carbon atoms are numbered. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is numbered this way, then the name of this compound will be 2-methyl this is butyl, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-butyl, 6 carbon atoms, so hexane. If it is numbered from this carbon atom, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 carbon atoms. There is a matter of longest chain. Then at carbon 5, the name of this alkyl group is isobutyl at carbon 4. So 4-isobutyl isobutyl heptane. 4-isobutyl heptane. 4-isobutyl heptane. This may be another name, and if it is numbered from here 1, 2, this carbon is 3, it is 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we'll get 4-isobutyl, not 4, 1, 2, 3. So 3-isobutyl, 3-isobutyl heptane. So here there is a matter of longest chain. Hexane, here is heptane. So it will be the name, it will not be the name. Again, isobutyl is expressed by 4, and in this compound, in this name, isobutyl is expressed by 3. So substituents are expressed with lower number. Then this is not correct. This is the accurate name of this compound. So it's a matter of longest chain, and substituent is expressed with lower number. Now the name of this compound is actually 3-isobutyl heptane. This is the compound now. First of all, the carbon atoms of this compound are numbered this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it is numbered from the left, then substituents are expressed by 3. If it is numbered from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Substituents are at carbon 6. So this compound is numbered from the left. Now what will be the name of this compound? At carbon 3, methyl group and ethyl group. E is prior to M. So the name of this compound will be 3-ethyl, then 3-methyl. 3-ethyl, 3-methyl, 8 carbon atoms. So it will be octane. 3-ethyl, 3-methyl octane, not 3-methyl, 3-ethyl, because E is prior to M. My dear students, this is all about nomenclature of organic compounds, that means nomenclature of alkanes. No more today. Thank you very much. Take care.